Hello everybody, good afternoon. Something just flashed across my screen. Shalonda talks a little this and that. I am about to change, not that, that's later. I'm about to change the wax seal on my toilet. So when you flush the toilet, it's leaking, it's coming out the sides. And I was supposed to have somebody do this for me, but y'all know how it is, and it ain't happened yet. And this needs to get done. I'm tired of waiting. So, like I said, I don't do the damsel in distress thing, and I have never done this by myself. I've done it. Last time that it's been done was in 2011 or 2012. So I know this seal needs to be replaced. And I'll flip the camera or show you. Matter of fact, see? Water. And it comes from this side too. So, boop, boop, boop. Yeah. I want to thank my neighbor Tiffany. I needed an 11 millimeter wrench. I just did not have that size. I couldn't find it. So I used, she let me use one of hers. Oh, Lord have mercy. And I didn't bring it in here. So I need 11 millimeter wrench to get the nuts up, the bolts off the side. I've already cut the water off. The toilet's been flushed, but I got to deal with this water that's still in the bowl. And probably, I don't know, I'm probably just going to vacuum that out. That's what I don't feel like with the wet vac. Make sure the tank is empty, unscrew, lift it up, have my boys help me lift it up and put it in the tub. This is why I have been trying my hardest to not have to do this myself. The toilet is heavy. That's really the only reason. So, but this got to get done because I'm tired of mopping and cleaning the bathroom floor. That's just, think about it. It's some nasty okay. I'm gonna pause this and come back when I got myself a little bit more together. And then what I'll probably do is upload this real quick, get that out, and then maybe go live as I'm actually doing it. I don't know. No, I ain't going live while I'm trying to do this. But Henderson, I promise I'm going live. Okay? I promise that'll probably be the next video then. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start those lives. Thank you so much, honey. So let me pause this, y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Okay, so I got my wet vac. And I got my wrench. I need to get rid of this water out of this toilet and out of the back of this tank. And I actually needed a 10 millimeter and something bigger than a 12 millimeter. This is a 12. That 11 that I borrowed from Tiffany was still too small, but I'm going to work it anyway. I can get this off with, it's not that tight. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back. Took it all out of the mold. Yeah, this is difficult when they self-stick or nothing like that. I'm going to take it out of here. Yeah, see? This is why I didn't want to do this on camera. It's too loud. I'll be right back. Subscribe. Okay. I'm finished getting the water out. Of the bowl and the tank. It's off from the wall. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these bolts. Now I couldn't find my gloves, so I don't have a weak stomach. If you have a weak stomach, you're gonna want gloves. I mean, gloves is the ideal thing to do considering what you're dealing with. Because there is to my understanding, some type of, I don't know what, I can't remember what the darn thing is called, but water's still in this tank somewhere, whatever the heck the space is called. Which is why when you take it up from the floor, you need to immediately put it in a tub or take it outside because it's going to drain. And I would hope that you don't want that kind of water all over your floor. It's the whole reason for changing the gasket in the first place. This little sucker is on here tight at the end. Just lovely. I got to find another tool, but let me go ahead and get this other side while I'm at it. Let me see if I can show you all that. That's the little thing, the little screw thing. Yeah, and the bathroom is dirty. I ain't cleaned it yet, so I don't know if you can even see that. It'll need cleaning, and I gotta pull this toilet out. That'll get done when I'm done with. You're yucky. And I mean, that was all in the camera. That'll get done when I'm done with getting this toilet done. At any rate, I'm going to pause this again and go wash my hands and grab the next tool that I need. I'll be back. All right. Is this thing recording? Yep. I am back, y'all. Thank you. I know it seems like no time at all, right? I can't remember what these things is called. Some kind of, are these vice grips? Henderson, in my head you are saying, I'm saying, now I know if I had been live, Henderson, if Henny was watching, he would tell me. So, I'm sorry, y'all. My tool game is off. I ain't really had to deal with tools since I was in the fire department. I mean, I use them around the house, but having to know the name to go run grab this, but at any rate, I don't need to know the name. I know what I need to get it done. And I am improvising because I don't have exactly what I need. So, I am familiar with tools. I'm not no expert now. But, so this got a 12 on one side and a 13, and this 13 is what I need. So, and this is mine. I got the 11 from Tiffany. But anyway, let me take this side one off. And I'm just using one to hold the stem still as I unscrewed. Unscrew with this, and I'm using the other to hold the stem still. Come on. Alright. I'm going to pause this again, y'all, because I'm taking too long. And I don't want this to be an extra long video because I'm not planning on editing jack. Once this is done, I'm putting this. Wait a minute. I might get that with my hand. Maybe I don't got it. I got it with my hand. Woo! Got it with my hand. Alright, let me grab this other side. Real quick. I really don't. Y'all can look at my boy's body wash. No, I ain't gonna do that to y'all. I got the same thing to do on this side. I'm gonna pause it again and then I'll be right back after I get that off. Okay. So, I'm almost out of breath. The other side. Whew, this thing's rusty. It's smaller than... Somebody done rigged something up. Who was the last person to do my toilet? I think that was... Ken? Anyway. I got that off. And I really meant to time myself to see how long this took. I don't even know what time it is right now. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:48 p.m.
So 3:48 p.m. I have, what? Turn the water off, drain the tank, drain the bowl. Got those nuts off of the bolt. And it is time for me to unscrew the line from the wall. And I have a little bowl, a little cleanup bowl I'm going to just stick down here. Because 9 out of 10 there's going to be water in that line to drip. And I don't feel like having extra crap to clean up. So, proactively I'm just going to catch it. Makes sense, right? I hope. And also, you know what? I don't have to take it off from down there. I need to take it off from up here. There's one on the, let me feel. So there's this line from the wall screws in under the tank of the toilet. So I'm taking that off. I'm not going to unscrew it from the wall again. The bowl, I'm still going to leave my bowl down here for any little bit of water that's still dripping out of this hole. I suction that tank dry, but as I'm moving this, what is this little thing called, with the little float on it. Now I know the name of this, but I just can't, it's slipping my mind right now. I'm gonna need another tool. What do I need? I need a wrench. So I'm going to go grab my tool and go ahead and unscrew it. And I'll be back again. Ew. Do I want to touch my screen like that? No. Get some of this off my hand. Alright. Now I can touch my screen. Alright. I got it unloose. And this is what I went with. This little thing that's in this toilet right here, I can't remember the name. You can go down to Lowe's and pick it up to change it anytime. Like when your toilet ain't flushing or whatever, you pick one up and pop it out and put it back in. I can't remember the name of it right now. I did unplug the water supply because it was tossing and turning in here. Come to find out, I was unloosing this and I did not want to. So I retightened it and I had to drop down to unscrew this little rubber gasket, this little rubber screw thing. And I thought I just had it all the way undone just now. I guess I did not. But I loosened that up. And I'm just need to get it. Oh, here they go. Popping, pop locking. It's popping, locking. I don't want you to move, my dear. So, yeah. Again, I think I maybe... No, I think I can put it over here. Is that working? Not the way I want it to, though. Alright, I gotta get back down here. Make sure I can see what I'm doing. Make sure I'm unscrewing the right thing. And make sure that I'm not jacking up any threads or anything. Because I will be screwing right back onto this when I'm done. And I don't need to cause any further damage that I will have to run down the Lowe's to try to repair. I don't feel like spending any money, which is the reason why I'm messing with the throne myself. I don't want to spend my money on something that I can do myself. So I'll be right back again. Subscribe. It's going. Alright, I got it off. And sure, like I said, water's in this little part coming from the wall. No biggie. So, let me take some of this water out this bowl so nobody kicks it over. Now I need to lift this toilet up. Off the floor into the tub. So, let me move this out the way. I am going to take the top of my toilet and take it completely out of here because I do not want this getting broken. Y'all too? I'm gonna need y'all help. Now, I need to lift this toilet. There's 2 pegs. I need to get it up, off the pegs, and over into the tub. Okay? And now, we need to be careful because this back part is a separate part, so it's screwed down. I might need to tighten that because that's more wobbly than I like. But, yeah, so.
For water.
So, let's lift this up. Can somebody matter of fact, let me get on this side because that's the tightest squeeze. Go ahead. Hold up. We want to try to. All right, hold on. Back. Go put some shoes on. Do you see this floor? Let's just try to go up. Careful. Let's careful. Yep. Now there's some wax probably on the bottom of this toilet, but it doesn't matter right now. Yep, squat right. There we go. Yeah, get your crotch off my hand. Sorry. Hey, that's alright, that's alright. We're working together, bro. Your foot ain't in the way, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Isn't that the wax the general placed down?
No, he was not.
I mean, last time he changed the toilet.
Who? He changed the toilet?
Yes, ma'am.
I thought somebody changed it. Okay, so then I was wrong. Then 2011, 2012 wasn't the last time it was changed, and it had to been, it would have been 2014 or 2015 then. Anyway, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, well now. Let's see. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:06 p.m.
4:06 p.m. I guess I'll do my time checks like that because that's really the only way to gauge the time lapse when I pause and do what I do. And hopefully I can go back and this It'll show me what time I started recording this video, so I'll know how long this took. But this is what we're dealing with down here. And in fact, I may do a pause again so I can turn this camera. Man, no. And it's so dark. So, that's the seal. And let me see if I can get this to change. Hold on just 1 minute. I may as well not even stop for that because I can't figure it out. But anyway, yeah, it didn't top behind the wall all the way. Didn't matter because the toilet bowl is there. Anyway, so I'm going to pull that up and replace this. Not touching that. I think the screw came up from the... Child, let me get down here and see what's going on. Is the screw on there on the other side? Yep, it's still in there. So, this is not even. And my toilet actually rocks. I'm going to get down here and I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to grab a plastic bag so I can pull up this wax seal here. That's a washer. I shouldn't need it, but just in case. Yeah, that's nasty. Alright. But what's so super weird is I only see one screw thing. Child, I don't know what the devil going on down here. How this was rigged up. I guess I'm about to find out in a second. Because I got to figure this out because my toilet is now off the flow. So we're going to have to make this work. And I got to change it. Well, there's no choice. The seal has to get changed. I got to go grab that out the room. Let me clean this floor and see if I can get some better lighting in here and see what the devil is going on. I'm pausing again. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:10 p.m.
4:10. I'm pausing. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Okay. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:34 p.m.
4:34. Y'all figure out the time lapse. I am in here cleaning this area on this floor, thinking about what in the world am I going to title this video, because this is not going to be, it ain't no ordinary wax ring. This is not an ordinary wax ring swap out. This toilet has already been rigged up some kind of way. And it probably started back in the day with my daddy. This house was built, what, in 1981? So, been here for 40 years. This house been seeing a lot of things, a lot of changes. Lord. And, yeah. So I'm trying, what am I going to title this? Because this ain't going to be no normal. Yeah. I am not a plumber. I am not a professional. I do what I need to do to make it work. And it works. I don't have any issues. Might not be the prettiest sometimes. But I am not a plumber. So follow me up if you want. I forgot I turned the water off to the house just in case I fool around and mess up with this pipe. I didn't want it to bust and have water spraying everywhere. I forgot. Anyway. As prepared. Alright. You know what? I think, where's my bathroom floor mop? Out in the hall. So this is about as clean as I'm going for this little area here. I'll mop it up some more later. So here we go. See, I only have one of these little pegs. My toilet calls for two. Now, I had 2 pegs. Y'all clearly saw me unscrewing 2 pegs. But there is only one that is mounted to this thing. One! And so the peg that I took out on this side looked like, let me see what the devil they had. Ooh, Lord. Actually. See? And ain't no little cliff. I gotta find the peg that, there we go. So, there's only one little spot. Okay, wait a minute. Look like that's what it was put in here and slid back to this side. All right, got it. So, all right, with the washer. Leave that there's my guide. I'm going to need that. So that was in here. All right. And I bought 2 kinds of seals because I knew that this was not going to be a typical wax ring change out. I knew it had been rigged up some kind of way before. Let me get off of that hole. I knew it had been rigged up some kind of way before. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to, y'all, let me tell you. The things I'm doing to get this phone to kind of do what I need to do. Just trying to find different ways of rigging that up as well. I can't get it on this. So I had this ring. I don't have the box. It's in the room somewhere. Which I was thinking that this ring with all this extended stuff may help because I knew that it's some kind of uneven and I don't need to open that one. And then I bought the standard wax ring. And I think what was going on here before was, so this, it looks like this was the original hole, but when I had my floor tiled, this was put in here, maybe? Or maybe it was even put in here before. I don't know. I don't remember. But there was a whole bunch of wax piled up in here. And I know I need to put wax on the bottom of this toilet. So I need to check that out. So normally when you put the wax, you know, like put the wax on the bottom of the, scrape whatever's on the bottom of the toilet off, put it on the bottom of the toilet, fit it back over the hole. This ain't about to be that. So, you don't need even telling me that, oh, well, you should do this and that. Yeah, normally, this ain't normal. Not at all. So, I I don't think that's gonna be, see now, see this right here, I'm digging. Because I can do that. And then I'm thinking, because this is uneven, this may even help me with that wobble that's going on my toilet. Boy, you sit down, you be seasick when you get off the toilet, boy. That ain't good. What the devil going on here? Yep. Let's see. I'm checking to see if this will be beneficial to use. Because clearly there's a leak. There was a leak, I know, because of the seal business, but look at that. Still need the wax. I really wish I could. No, adding that is not going to be, that ain't the way to go. That's not the way to go. So this little piece is not the way to go. But this right here is looking like it's what's up. That's looking like butter baby. Yep. Alright. So I'm gonna do this little pause thing again because dang, I really don't want to have to do that. I was gonna have Dylan help me pull the toilet out, set it on there, see what it's feeling like before I start securing. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to pause this. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:43 p.m.
4:43. Let me pause this. I'll be right back. If I can hit the darn button. Yeah. Alright. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:46 p.m.
4:46. That wasn't that bad. I don't remember what time it was just when it stopped. But I got the screws for the toilet. I decided to just go ahead and put these screws in here because I'm starting to feel like I gotta pee. So this whole setup here needs to be done. Okay. So let's try it and see what happens. First, I'm gonna put this. I don't think that's even. That is a nasty. Y'all got a weak stomach. Y'all don't wanna. All right, so now that's wax. And, I don't know what that other particle is. Whatever it is, just brushing it to clean it off didn't work. So